Now, my first favorite is from one of my other videos, but it's still my favorite from this month. And it is the L'Oreal Paris Collagen Moisture Filler. And this is basically a moisturizer, y'all. And it's actually has a serum to go with it, but I just used the moisturizer for right now because I didn't even know they had a serum. But this is basically what it is, collagen for the fine lines and wrinkles and stuff. Because I am getting older. I'm almost 40 years old, and I really wanted to plump up my skin because I noticed that it's been a lot dry lately, and I don't want my skin, even though I don't mind aging, like in physical, like actually, like with my age number, I don't want to look old either, y'all. So what woman really wants to look old? Who wants to look old, period? So I'm trying to do whatever I can to have a more plump up, juicy face and texture of my skin. And this has been working a lot well, very well. This is what it looks like on the inside, and it was about under $10 from Walmart, actually. And it is very moisturizing. Like, it really moisturizes well. Even after I get done washing my face and I still might have water on it, it still soaks in really well. And as you can see, my skin looks a lot more like what is it called, a lot less wrinkle and like kind of dry and ashy, like it had been looking for like a month. It kind of like it was losing its like I guess vitality and luster about it. So I've been using that. Okay, so my next item that I've been loving for this month is this old school Equate baby oil. Okay, and I know about, we know who is connected to that, but this is that's old school. Like, for a while there, I was using that off-brand Equate version of body oil. Actually, it was like a lotion and an oil together, and it was basically inspired by Vaseline. So it was like an oil and a moisturizer together, a moisturizer and oil mixed together. But it's so expensive, and just baby oil, it does the job. You know what I'm saying? It moisturizes and stuff like that, and it really puts that oil back in your skin, and it's really cheap. We grew up on baby oil and stuff like that, and whatnot. And if it wasn't broke, don't fix it. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes the cheapest items can be the best, and you could get a lot of product for like under $2. You know what I'm saying? Or even under $3 at the most. Okay, so basically this is the last item that I'm going to review for right now that I've been loving this month, and this is the Vanilla Long Lasting Fragrance Body Mist by Body Fantasies. And this has been around for a long time. People pretty much know about this. Like, if you're a female, let me first know me. Okay. There we go, y'all. So this smells really good. It smells like burnt vanilla and stuff like that. It just smells so good. Like, this is just almost like perfume, and it's cheap. It's under $5 at Walmart too. And basically, I love all of these items. These are my favorites from this month, and they're probably going to continue to be my favorites for a long time. So basically, this is my product review video and favorites video, basically. And if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, share my video, hit the notification bell if you like. And I will see y'all in another video, my lotus flowers. And for my upcoming lotus flowers, welcome to my channel. And I will see y'all in another one. Peace. I'm out. Bye-bye.